In this video, I'll be sharing an update sa aking Maya Time Deposit Plus account after 2 months. I will also share some tips kung paano ma-maximize ang iyong savings sa Time Deposit Plus at kung magkano na ang kinita ng time deposit ko after almost 2 months. Just to recap, Maya Time Deposit Plus has 3 terms na pwede mong pagpilian. Pwedeng 3 months, 6 months, or 12 months. Choose mo yung 6 months so you can earn higher interest rate at 6% per annum. Pwede ka mag-open up to 5 time deposit plus accounts. So, maximum of 1 million pesos for each account. Take note though that up to 500,000 pesos lang ang PDIC insured per depositor. Kaya pag nag-exceed ka ng more than 500,000 pesos sa iyong account, yung lampas sa 500,000 ay hindi na PDIC insured. Ang minimum target amount is 5,000 pesos. For 6 months, you will earn a base rate of 3.5% per annum once you make an initial deposit. And then you can get additional 2.5% per annum interest when you reach your target amount. So total of 6% per annum. I suggest you set your target amount to 5,000 pesos para mas mabilis mong ma-hit ang target amount mo at makuha mo agad ang total 6% per annum na interest. The good thing is, pwede ka pa ring magdagdag ng deposit maski na nahit mo na ang target amount mo. Kaya siguro siya tinawag na time deposit plus. Monthly ang crediting ng interest sa account. Yung interest will be credited to your account on the first day of the following month. So, dito sa time deposit ko, January 1 na credit ang interest ko for December. And magkahiwalay ang net base interest at net bonus interest. So, total interest na nakuha ko noong December ay 18.85. So, mababa lang kasi December 18 na ako nag-open ng time deposit plus account. May nagtanong in my previous video about sa interest ng Maya Time Deposit Plus. Pag halimbawa naghulog ng additional deposit after mahit ang target amount, will the additional deposit made on top of the target amount earn the same interest at 6% per annum for 6 months? Gumawa ako ng sarili kong calculation para ma-estimate ko kung included nga yung additional na deposit sa 6% per annum interest pag nahit na ang target amount. Ang target amount ko ay 10,000 pesos. So, December 18 ako nag-create ng time deposit ko. And then, I deposited yung target amount ko na 10,000 pesos on the same day. And then, nag-add ako ng 100 pesos noong December 26 and another 900 pesos ulit noong December 29. So, based on this, yung additional deposit na lumampas sa target amount ay nag-earn din ng 6% per annum na interest. Kaya pwede mong iset sa 5,000 pesos ang target amount mo and then mag-add ka na lang ng any amount anytime to earn more. Meron ding nagtanong nito, is the interest compounded? Based sa interest na nakuha ko noong January, the answer is yes, compounded ang interest. So ito yung ginawa kong calculation for January. Nagdagdag ulit ako ng 5,000 pesos noong January 9. Merong konting difference ulit sa computed interest ko versus actual interest na na-credit sa Maya account. So, for January, I earned a total of 60 pesos na interest. So, compounded ang interest. So, hindi pwedeng ma-withdraw ang interest before the target date. Pwede lang magdagdag ng deposit maski na-hit mo na ang iyong target amount. Worth it ang Maya Time Deposit Plus for short-term goals lang from 3 to 6 months up to 1 year versus putting your money sa traditional bank na wala halos interest.